Right, how's it going? If you got a car with electric parking brake and you need to service the rear brakes, so you're going to need to put the parking brake system into maintenance mode. The first thing you're going to do is shut the car off, turn the key on position, right foot on the gas pedal. And for this I need my two hands, so I'm going to put the phone down. It's going to be left hand on the parking brake switch, put it in the off position. You're going to go to your ignition, turn it off, turn it back on. You're going to see the lightning bolt on the right side. Keep holding the gas pedal and the brake switch. You're going to see park brake in maintenance mode, release. Now you can go in the back, do your brake job, and compress your pistons with no problem. I'm going to show you how to take it out of maintenance mode. So you're going to hit the gas pedal, and then you're going to apply the parking brake switch up and hold it with the ignition on. Now you're going to turn the key off, key back on, wait for the lightning bolt to go out. There, it's out of maintenance mode. Now that it's out of maintenance mode, you want to hit the switch a couple times. On, off. So the reason for this video is it explains to you how to disengage the parking brake and put it into maintenance mode, so you're able to compress the rear caliper pistons and then perform your brake job. It works the same if you have a push button. So instead of turning the key on and off, you're going to be pushing the button on and off. It works for all four vehicles up to 2020. 2021 has a new way of putting the rear brakes into maintenance mode, and I'll be showing you that in the future. Thank you very much for watching.